Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of compiler. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 3. Which one of the following technique used in compiler code optimization uses live variable analysis, and 4 options are given. What is live variable analysis? Whether a variable is live after this or not. If that is live, then we can keep that register. If that is not live or dead, then we can allocate that register to some other variable. So live variable analysis is a data flow analysis technique in compiler optimization to determine which variable are live, which we can use later in the program. An important live variable information used for register allocation means how we can assign the register depends on the live variable analysis. If one variable is live, we can keep that register. If one variable is dead, means have no use after the block, then we can assign that register to some other variable. After a value is computed in the register and used within a block, it is not necessary to store that value if it is dead at the end of the block. If it is dead, we can free the register, and if it is live, then we can keep that register for that variable. So answer will be option B, register assignment to variable that uses live variable information in compiler code optimization. Now check the other options. Option A, runtime function call management. It mainly deals with handling function call and return the runtime rather than the static analysis of variable lifetime. It doesn't give any information whether variable is live or not. It just deals with the function call and return at runtime. It cannot do at static time. Next, option C, strength reduction. Suppose one operator is there, we want to reduce the strength, we can use the strength reduction. For example, in place of multiplication, we can use the addition. So focus on replacing expensive operator with equivalent but less costly operator. Next, option D, constant folding. Constant folding involves evaluating constant expressions at compiler time. So strength reduction and constant folding both we used for code optimization, but that doesn't uses the live variable analysis. Only register assignment to variable uses the live variable analysis. So answer will be option B, register assignment to variable. I already discussed code optimization, live variable. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.